Walking along the beach, it's deserted, apart from a very few of us. The beautiful Moray coast, full of sunshine. Warm enough that we're wanting to put our feet into the cold waters of the Firth. Watching the water rolling in and rolling back out. The offshore wind blowing strong over our shoulder as we're walking along the beach. Not encouraging people to be out on the water, but rather to be paddling on the shore. Encouraging you to take just a minute for yourself, to think calm thoughts, so that you have a good rest of your day.